Okay, there's the lid. I got it out of the package. Really, it's pretty straightforward. Just slides closed or open. It has a very similar gasket on it. Man, fits on there nice and tight. I don't know how spill proof around that closing will be, but we can find out. Okay, here we are. This is the, I think it's technically called the splash proof lid on this RTIC tumbler. I thought I would just try it out, filled it with water. Yeah, you can see a couple dribbles. Actually not bad at all. So that's straight upside down. On its side, you get a little bit coming out. I think it's all coming out from, there's actually a little weep hole right up on top to keep it, I don't know, pressurized or something, but I mean, sure beats that. So, which is your standard, like what your standard lid will do, but you know, I wouldn't call it spill proof, but certainly has a pretty good seal. So there you go. Okay, I already did the unboxing and did like a little bit of a spill test on the spill proof or splash proof lid here on this RTIC tumbler. So far looking pretty good. I just washed it up and everything. I'm just gonna do a quick little ice test. It's well, 4:21 in the afternoon. I'm just gonna fill it with ice. There we go. I'm going to put the splash proof lid on, and I'm just going to let it sit. And we'll check in the morning, probably about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. See where we stand.
7:14 in the morning. So gave it a few hours there. That's all right. Let's look at this now. This is my RTIC 20-ounce tumbler. Put ice in it last night or yesterday at 4:15ish. You can look down in there. I left the lid actually open. You can see there's still quite a bit of ice in there. See if I can get this lid off with one hand. That seal is really good. Alright, so there we go. That is quite a bit of ice left. I didn't do a big scientific experiment and weigh it out or anything, but I filled it up to that line there, and it's still pretty full. Let's take it over to the sink. Now the problem is my sink is now full of dirty dishes, but that's alright. That right there is not much water, and there's your chunk of ice that was left in there. So that's that's a pretty good test of the capabilities of this tumbler here to keep ice. Was that about 15 hours? So that's pretty impressive, if you ask me. I'll do a hot test. I'll actually do a live. I'll do my own coffee test today, but I'll probably do a video on a hot test here soon too. All right, thanks for watching. That's the RTIC 20-ounce tumbler. Very impressive. I get no compensation or anything for for saying so. It's just an honest review.